versus shop welding as an independent black welder. And I want to say it like that because now that I've been in the field for some years and I've been learning the ups and downs and having doors closed and doors open, it has let me know that as far as a black man, as independent black man, it profits me more to be a custom metal fabricator and sell my products or to finish a order for someone else because they don't judge you due to what you look like. They need the product done. They look at your work ethics off the top. And I like the miscellaneous steel installation because it's not a lot of chiefs, a lot of people that try to control what's going on. Normally it's a simple enough job. You installing some handrails, some stairs. You installing something that's not real critical. It's critical, but it's not real critical, and they trust you to do the task right. From awnings to carports, from different structural steel and commercial small jobs. You don't have a lot of pressure. So, and it's not a lot of judgment when it comes to that because they want you to come out and do the job well, and they don't typically judge you from what you look like. Now, when you're going out there bidding the jobs, it's a different thing. But to me personally, I think the fabrication for me personally is a more of a benefit because I can make more money because I'm doing custom fabrication and my work ethics and my products speak for themselves. You know what I mean? I don't have to sell you anything. You seeing what I have to offer and you want to buy it and you see it's worth your time and your money. You see what I'm saying? So it's a difference trying to go out and pitch yourself in front of someone. Hey, look what I got going on as far as my work ethic. So just showing you, hey, let me get out here in the field. We need this insurance. We need this many bonds. We need this. And when it comes to the smaller things, you don't need all of that, and you can still eat like the majors. I had a guy tell me one time, I never forgot this. This is once I moved to Phoenix my first year here. He told me, he said, I learned in Phoenix that I can be small and be in a big pond and eat just like the big fish without having to be the big fish. He said, because a lot of times when you're the big fish, everybody start coming out there. People greedy. People want money. They think you got it, and they want to try to get some from you. You know what I mean? But he was like, I learned to stay small and eat big, and I don't have those headaches. So it showed me something because at first I was coming into the game with a different approach, and then it made me step back and say, you know what, you're right. And so when I started doing my independent jobs, as far as my independent field welding jobs, helping different companies, I took my logos off the truck that I was using, and I wanted to come in as I was helping them, so it wouldn't be no misunderstanding like, oh, I'm on a job site trying to get more leads, or they feel like I'm out there trying to advertise. I didn't want that. I wanted to be like, when I'm out there for them, I'm representing that company that I'm actually working for. You see what I'm saying? So that made it easier also for me to get more jobs in. But when it comes to the custom metal fabrication, I would most definitely, me personally being black, I would most definitely lean on that more because once you have a good product, you can have a storefront or you can have a website and you can put it out there and your item, your product will speak for itself. You know what I mean? People don't judge you. They be like, oh, that's awesome. I like that. It was well put together, whatnot. But, you know, just knocking on doors and trying to get bids, sometimes, I mean, it is what it is. We tend to get judged. And I just don't like, I'm just to the point with me personally, I don't like kissing ass for money. I know that I got something to offer and I feel like you're going to need it. So I wanted to provide something that I didn't have to do all of that. I didn't have to undercut myself just so I can get this work from them. You know what I mean? Because I'm that desperate. You know what I mean? So I think that having a metal fabrication shop and doing simple miscellaneous installations can get you good money. So in my personal opinion, you know what I mean, I feel like once you in the game and you get more experience, most definitely get you a shop and most definitely get you a storefront or a website to advertise your products or services because that's going to be how you're going to eat. Like it's going to really help you. So just figure out what niche that you want to be in, like to each his own, but figure out what niche. Me personally, I don't like headaches. I don't like, I know I can eat big with something small. And another person might judge, oh, I'm on this job, I just did this, and I'm like, yeah, I just did this little oddie and some handrails and made more money than you did. You know what I'm saying? But people boast around about the wrong things, if you ask me. So I just feel like being a custom metal fabricator is more of an asset because it gives me more freedom, more peace of mind, less stress. You know, less stress, less things to worry about, and I can actually do what I love. I can create, I can build things that I like to build. I can make sure that my product is good. You know, from my containers, from the welding skids, from the stairs, from shooting targets, from whatever I come up with. You know what I mean? I can fabricate it and make sure it comes up good. So, you know, I like it better. You know what I mean? Because I don't have to kiss ass for money. I got a good product and people like it and then they buy it. You know what I mean? So it's different than saying, hey, knocking on your door, can I get some work from you? And they say, yeah, but I'm gonna help. I'm gonna let Paul eat on this job this time. You know, so I just seen that, you know, just being a black independent welder, you know, I just ran into a lot of stumbling blocks, stepping stones. So I figured that it was better for me to have products, and actually products is the way to go. You know, products over talent is what I like to say. You know, I actually heard that from Master P, and hey, that's what I want to teach in the welding and hip hop program, because once you have a product, man, and you get a good product, you can make money when you're sleeping, and that's the goal. I mean, that's how we're gonna really get to financially wealth, is we're not going to get there just off punching the clock and just doing hourly, just using our body. We're not going to get to financially freedom like we want to. You know, we'll get back, but if you want to get some wealth, you need a product. HogOn.